question number 2. What is given? Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find the solutions. So let's see what is given in bit I. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in the same time 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing. Her means Ritu's speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. Current means flowing water. Okay. So now let the speed of rowing in still water be x km per hour and the speed of the current be y km per hour subject to x greater than y. Why? So definitely the speed of going will be more than the speed of the current, otherwise it cannot move upstream. Okay. Now the relative speed in downstream is equal to x plus y kilometer per hour. Again, the relative speed in upstream is equal to x minus y kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, according to our question, what is given? So Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours. So downstream x plus y kilometer per hour in 2 hours. So 2 into x plus y is equal to 20. Again, downstream. So at upstream 4 km in 2 hours. This is your downstream. Again upstream. Same 2 hours. 2 into x minus y is equal to 4. Okay. So this is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. Now we will solve this. That implies your 2x plus 2y is equal to 20. Same equation 1. By simplifying it, we will get a 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. Same equation. Just only we are simplifying here. Now 2x plus 2y is equal to 20. Equation 1. 2x minus 2y is equal to 4. Equation 2. So here we will adding equation 1 and 2. Adding, because plus minus opposite sign, adding equation 1 and equation 2, we will get, what we will get? So here adding, we will get 4x is equal to 24. That implies x is equal to 24 by 4. That implies x is equal to 6 what? Kilometer per hour. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of y. Now putting the value of x, in any equation, in equation 1, we will get, what we will get? Your 2 into x6 is plus 2y is equal to 20. That implies 2y is equal to 20 minus 12. That implies your y is equal to 8 by 2. That implies y is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, therefore, the speed of rowing in still water is what? Speed of rowing x. So what is the value of x? 6. So 6 km per hour, and the speed of what speed? Current of, and the speed of the current is y is 4 km per hour. 4 km per hour. So this is the required solution. Note it down. Now move on to bit double I. 2 women and 5 men came together finish a embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. So find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by 1 man alone. Okay. So time and work. Now let the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work be x days, and the time taken by 1 man alone to finish the work be y days. So y days, here x days. But in time and work, you have to find out the work for 1 day, otherwise you will not get the correct answer. So in 1 day, 1 woman can do 1 by x of the work. In 1 day, 1 man can do 1 by y of the work, because takes x days to complete the work. 1 day 1 by x. Man takes y days to complete the work. So 1 day 1 by y. Now according to our question, what is given? 2 women and 5 men. 2 women. So 2 by x plus 5 by y. In 1 day, 1 woman 1 by x, 2 women 2 into 1 by x, 2 by x, 1 man 1 by y, 5 men 5 into 1 by y is equal to 5 by y. Then total work in 4 days. In 1 day 1 by 4, 1 day 1 by 4. Equation 1. This is your equation 1. Now second case, 3 women. So 3 by x plus 6 by y. 6 men can finish it in 3 days. 1 day 1 by 3. Equation 2. So 1 woman in 1 day 1 by x, 3 women in 1 day 3 by x, 1 man in 1 day 1 by y, 6 men in 1 day 6 into 1 by y, 6 by y. Total work completed in 3 days. So in 1 day 1 by 3 of the work. So these are these two equations. Now we'll simplify these two equations and we'll go for solving the equations. So here now let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. So first equation 2 by x. So 2 by x 2 by x, 2 into 1 by x plus 5 by y, 5 into 1 by y is equal to 1 by 4. So for better clarification I am writing here. That implies your 2a plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4. That implies your 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. Equation 3. Now come to second part. 3 by x. So 3a plus 6 by y, 6b is equal to how much? Is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. That implies your 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. Equation 4. Now we will solve these two equations. Here 20b, 18, anyone we have to cancel it. So how to cancel? Now here 18 okay. So equation 3 into 9. We have to multiply 9 here. So non-zero constant, suitable non-zero constant. That implies your 72a plus 180b is equal to 9. Now equation 4. This is your equation 4 into how much? 10. That implies your 90a plus 180b is equal to 10. Okay. Now subtracting equation 6 from equation 5, we will get minus. So this is cancelled. Now minus 18a is equal to minus 1. That implies a is equal to 1 by 18. A is equal to 1 by 18. Now we put the value of a. Now putting the value of a. Putting the value of a in equation. Anyone with equation? Equation 3. We will get. What will get? 8a. 8 into 1 by 18 plus 20b is equal to 1. Okay. Now here 20b, here 4, here 9. Cancel. That implies 20b is equal to 1 minus 4 by 9. That implies 20b is equal to your 9 minus 4 by 9. That implies b is equal to 5 by 9 by 20 means into 1 by 20. So 4 is equal to 1 by 36. B is equal to 1 by 36. Now what is your a? And we have to find out the value of x and y. Okay. So now let 1 by x is equal to a. So 1 by x is equal to a. What is the value of a? Is 1 by 18. 1 by 18. That implies x is equal to 18. And 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36. 1 by 36. That implies y is equal to 36. Therefore, the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work is your 18 days, and that taken by one man alone is how much days? 36 days. Is the required answer. So now note it down.